Hello everyone. I am Mrs. Meenal Nerkar, working as Assistant Professor in Computer Engineering Department of All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology. Today we are going to see how to reverse a linked list. Linked list can be reversed in two ways. One is recursively and other is non-recursively. So today we will see the non-recursive method, that is iterative method, to reverse the given linked list. Linked list is a collection of nodes where the structure of the node is, it contains two fields, data field and the address field. Address field is pointing to the next address of the next node in the list. Now this is the actual method which is performing the reversing task. So reverse LL, this particular method is taking one parameter, and this parameter is nothing but the base address of the list to be reversed. It returns a pointer to the base address of the reverse list. So that's why the return type is of kind node pointer. This reverse linked list is making use of the three pointers: prev pointer, current pointer and the next pointer. So prev pointer is initialized to null, current pointer is initialized to the first. After the initialization, we iterate through the linked list, and in loop we perform if current is not null. Before changing the next of the current, we store it in the temporary node, that is next. Now after that we change the next of the current and set it to prev. This is where actually we are reversing the list. Now after that we move the prev and the current pointer one step ahead. We go on doing this, and if the current is null, end the loop and get the result, which is stored, base address of the reverse list which is stored in the prev. So we are returning the